Excuse me, are you paying attention? Excellent. Guess what, everybody? We got another Whiteboard Wednesday today, season 2. Keep forgetting this. Same thing happened last week. Season 2, episode 9. My name is Rodrigo Fonador with Asheville Cash Buyers, and today we're talking about something that's a pretty simple topic, but it doesn't come up very often, so sometimes you actually just don't know. And what we're talking about today is what happens to your utilities when you sell. So, sometimes, if you're fortunate enough, your house is going to have all the utilities: power, power, water, and gas. Sometimes we buy houses and they don't have any of those things just because, they're not exactly livable. But we're going to be talking from, you have a livable house, it's in good shape, everything's working. So what happens when you sell to the utilities? And today's going to be a really short video, just so you're aware, because it's really simple. When you sell your utilities, there's two options. So option one, excuse me. Option one can be just turn it off yourself, and you can say, hey, we're closing on Friday the 10th. So you call the power company, the water company, the gas company, and you say, hey, can you turn off my account on the 11th? Or typically what happens, if you don't mind just waiting a day or two, is the buyer or us in this case, would transfer the utility into our name. And then once that transfer occurs, it automatically shuts down your account. So it's a pretty simple one. Just make sure that you're communicating with whoever is buying your property if they plan on transferring utilities to their name at closing very quickly, or if it's something you need to set up ahead of time and turn off. The one thing is, if you've got any like TV or internet subscriptions like DirecTV or cable with AT&T or Charter or whatever, that's not going to transfer at closing. So you're going to have to be proactive as a homeowner to turn those off when you sell. So just keep that in mind. Gas, water, electric, those will transfer, but anything that are like the extracurriculars, internet, TV, etc., those aren't going to transfer, so you need to make sure you turn those off yourself. As promised, short one today. If you have any questions, let us know below, or if there's any specific topics you'd like to hear about, let us know as well, and we can add them to the schedule. All right, y'all, season 2, episode 9, another episode of Whiteboard Wednesday. Appreciate it a lot. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you all next week.